Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to give you a brief overview on this particular response variable that we are using moving ahead in the upcoming sessions in the karate framework. So basically, whenever we are requesting an information, the server will be sending us a response. The complete response from the server would be stored inside a response variable. Ideally, we can use this response variable for doing a various kinds of assertions or schema validations, or if at all I want to retrieve a specific information from the endpoint response also, we can do that with the help of a response variable. So what I'm going to do right now is, for the existing get request that we have created, let me comment it out one scenario and consider that it has only one scenario. Okay, or else, yeah, let me comment it up this scenario and let's get a specific user information. As of now, it has a background and it has a this scenario which is trying to retrieve only one specific user information. Let us try to get the response first of all, and let's try to do the validations on this. See, basically this is the JSON response that we are getting from that application. Copy this. Okay, let's go back here. JSON formatter. Okay, I'm just doing a JSON formatter online basically. Okay, so I'm just giving the data that we are okay retrieving. And if you see right now, this is the JSON data. The response contains data. Inside the data, it has an ID, it has an employee name, employee salary, employee age, profile image, and as well as a message. Okay, these are the information that we have. So if you see, the data contains this information: ID, employee name, employee salary, age, and a profile image. So what I'm gonna do right now here is, so in our feature file, and print. So print is a method, okay, which is used in karate to print a message to the console. This is just like our system.out.println in a Java. So what I'm gonna do, response. This is my response from that API. In that response, there is a data, right? Inside the data, there is an employee salary. Print response dot data dot employee salary. In the response, whatever you are getting, this a complete JSON. In the response, there is a data. Inside the data, okay, in the response there is a data. Inside the data, I just want to get the employee salary. Consider this status, guys. This status is not inside the data. So if at all I want to print that status, and print response dot status. So here this status is not inside the data, so that's the reason I can print this particular status. Okay, let me run this feature and let us see whether it is printing from the response, whether it is getting the employee salary along with it's getting the status or not. Let us see the console what it is being printed down. Okay, so see, basically this is the response code that we got. Okay, and this is the thing. And if you, this is the actual response that it is printing. So here in this, if you see, we used a print statement. This is the employee salary and this is the status. If you want to retrieve further more information related to the employee from the response, from the data, I want to get the employee name. Okay, I want to get the employee ID within the data. ID is there, employee name is there, employee salary is there, employee age, okay, employee age, okay, up to here that's fine. So I can pass on my ID, and even I want my employee age, all these details. So when I run my program right now, from the response, it is retrieving the employee specific information and it is printing down that information to the console. Even if you want to do any kind of an assertions, right? So you can use these expressions and you can use these assertions. Earlier we were able to retrieve the salary and a status. Right now I just extended that information in printing the couple more details to the console. That's it. Okay. Once the endpoint execution was successful, it will be printing down the respective information to the console. If I maximize my console and if I see this outcome, so these are four different prints, all the prints information got retrieved and printed down to the console. So this is the way how exactly we can use a response to retrieve that particular information. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture with another example. Thank you. Bye bye.